Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your Khalea Marie and I'm back again with a YouTube video. If you're new here, hey, nice to meet y'all. Hope y'all subscribe because like Road to 2K, don't play.
What you're doing, do you think of me sometimes? And when I'm feeling down, I lose all control. Emotions keep coming out, I'm trying to let you go. So if you wanna talk to me again, don't try to act like we were always friends.
But today, as you can see by that title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do my soft locks. But this is for like spring break. But like I still wanted to make it like a little tutorial or whatever. So y'all gonna be seeing the full process. Me washing my hair, braiding my hair, installing the locks, everything. So the locks are not here yet. I bought them, but they're not here. And they're 36 inches, don't play. We don't do short over here. But yeah, 36 inches. They're actually not here. They're gonna be here tomorrow. So I just wanted to make sure my hair was good so I could finish it tomorrow because I have a lot of stuff to do. Tomorrow's Monday, today's Sunday. So Monday I'm doing my hair, and then I also have to pack my bag, go to the store and buy stuff. So it's a lot I have to do. And then Tuesday I have to do my mom's hair, which is probably gonna take a long time. And after that, I'm not gonna really want to do anything. And then Wednesday's the day we're leaving, but we're leaving at like 6 in the morning. So like there's nothing I can really do in between that time, you know? So I gotta do everything tomorrow, basically. We're gonna be washing my hair because I need to wash my hair. It's actually not that dirty, but like I just have a lot of gel in my hair and I don't want all that. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all. I don't know how to say this, miel, something like that. This is shampoo. So this is the type of shampoo. Then this is the type of conditioner I use. This stuff works really good. This is just like, I don't know, I just like it a lot, but this is what really gets my hair good. I also have this little conditioner. Where is it? This one, it's by, the thing is all off and stuff. It's by something moisture, something like that. I have this one, but I'm not gonna use that one. And I also have the miel, I think. It's an overnight conditioner, but I'm not gonna use this. I don't think so. I might though, maybe. But yeah, so basically we're just gonna be doing the braid down and the like washing stuff. So I need to take all these braces and stuff off first. But I just want to show y'all what I use to wash my hair, just in case y'all was wondering. This is a lot. Oh, and I got a new bracelet. Let's go. I have a lot of bracelets. It's kind of crazy, and I want more. I seen some on Amazon that came in like it was like a 12 pack, but like each pack came with 4. So 12 times 4, 48, not 30. Anyways, but yeah, 48 bracelets for, how much was that? It was like $20. That's good. So I wanted to get those, but I was just like, I gotta make that. So yeah, we're just gonna take out my hair. Okay. Oh, I got a body pin in here. Now that my hair is out, I'm just ready to wash it now. And yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all me washing it. I'll probably just explain to y'all like, so basically how I wash my hair is I take the shampoo, right? No, first I will like wet my hair with the water until everything's loose, because I could do that gel. Like I have a swoop right here and that thing is down. Like it's not going nowhere. Like it's not going nowhere. But basically I put water in my hair until everything's like broken up and stuff and it's just wet. Then I take my shampoo, which is almost finished. I need some more. Take my shampoo, moisturize my hair and everything, make sure it's everywhere. Then I wash that out. I don't detangle it, nothing, just wash that out. Then I go with my shampoo, moisturize. Then I go with my fingers and I finger detangle my hair as much as I can until it's like pretty easy for me to go through. And then if I need to, I'll go in with my Denman brush, which that's what I need. And I just clean my Denman brush too. But I go with my Denman brush and I just go through it until it's like really like silky and everything. And then I wash everything out and then we're finished. So that takes me a good like no more than 10 minutes to wash my hair. So I'll be back. Okay, so now my hair is freshly washed, clean, curly. So now I'm gonna take my comb. I'm gonna part my hair in half. Parts don't gotta be like extremely straight because these are locks, but make them a little straight. I'm just detangling this back part because this is what we're about to start with. We're about to just basically braid our hair. Okay, so I just detangled the top half off the camera. And basically, I know some of y'all might be like, oh, you're supposed to blow dry your hair. You don't have to do that. You don't do that, girl. Basically, what I'm about to be using is this and this. Now, I might use some Eco Gel, but I honestly just don't want my hair to turn white while I have these braids in. And I don't want them to be itching with gel. So, I might use a little bit of this, but not too much. Yeah, probably in the front, not the back, because the back, you can't see that. But I'm about to do these braids off camera, and I'm going to show y'all how I do the front half. So I'll be back. This whole time, I've been braiding this side, and it's not been recording. That's crazy. It's very upsetting. But basically, I finished the entire back row, and I did these 3 rows thinking it was recording, but it wasn't. So I have about 20 braids in the back, and then about 2, 5, 8 braids right here. So I'm just going to show y'all an example of what I'm doing basically in the front. I just part my hair off. Okay. I'm going to just show y'all this one real quick because my storage is really low. So basically I just detangle this one piece, take my wild growth oil, and then just put it on the perimeter of the hair. Slick that up. Now when I was doing the back, that's all I did, and I would just braid it to the end, and then once I got to the end, I would put my leave-in conditioner and just coil the ends. But since this is the front and I want it to be really perfect, I want to take some edges out, but I don't know. I'm gonna take a little bit. Now I'm gonna take some Eco Gel because this is the front and I want it to be really slick, and just put it on the perimeter of the hair and then start braiding all the way down. Now I braid like 6 like down, and then I really tightly, and then I braid like loose the rest of the way. Now once I get to the end, I take a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. I just coil it around the ends. And that is how I am braiding my whole head. So I'll see y'all once I'm finished everything, or probably by tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow or when I'm finished, but yeah. Okay, so I finished braiding the whole entire thing, and I'm about to go to sleep because I'm tired. I'm not go to sleep, I'm gonna lay down. It's 10:11, so I'll see y'all tomorrow when the hair gets here and I start like actually doing my hair. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back from the beauty supply store. Let me take this off, and I'm about to show you all the stuff that I got. First, I got these nails right here. They're so cute. I want to put them on right now, but I can't because I have to do my mom's hair tomorrow. Then I got this lip liner, and I finally found a good lip liner. Like, it's good, it's good. So I got that. Then I got some lip gloss, which even though I have these two, but you can never have too much. So I got some lip gloss. These are my dad's ones. Then I think I got this to wrap around the hair. So, and then I got this edge control to try it out. Let's see. It smells really good. And it feels good too. So let's hope this actually works. But yeah, let's get started on our hair. Cause
what you got up under this? Like you just snatched it off on camera like
I showed it.
hey, hurry up. So yeah, I'm about to put this back in its bag because Miss Girl is going back in her bag for this trip. Okay, she's going back in her bag. And yeah, I whipped it out like that on camera. And what about you? Nothing. So I'm gonna I'm excited. So I'm gonna put my hair up and do section by section, which I'm not showing y'all how to do the back because y'all can't even see. But yeah, I'm about to do basically my whole head, and I'm gonna leave like this side for y'all to watch me do it, and so I can show you how I do it. But I am gonna be putting some more gel on it just so it could be really slick or whatever. So I'll be back once I'm like basically finished. Okay guys, so I literally like finished like majority of my hair and it looks so good. I just have this little section right here which I'm about to show you how I do it. So I'm gonna show y'all 2 examples and then I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. So let me just pin this up. So basically, since I have 2, I'm gonna take 2 locks and I'm gonna take it by the loop and like open it up real big. Just open it up like that. If you can hear stuff, I'm sorry, but basically I'm so sorry if you can hear stuff, but basically you're gonna go down a couple rows of your braid and just stick it in one of the sides like that, if y'all can see. Then take the loop and just crochet it on like you would at the roots. Slide it through and just do the exact same thing you would do at the roots. And there you go, it's just like that. This part would be at the roots, but I did it right there for the knotless look. So I'm gonna show you that one more time. I'm just gonna open this real big like that and go down a couple rows and crochet it on. Just like that. Now if you did your braids like freshly, you won't do this part, but I'm so sorry if you hear music. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my gel and just put it on the perimeter of the hair so it can be like real slick. Now I'm gonna take my wrapping hair. I just cut this part in half, so like that. And then I split this in half like this. So like one piece will be for one lock, another piece will be for the second one, and try to make them a little even. Okay, now I'm gonna use this first piece. Now we're gonna take a crochet needle. We're gonna go through the root like we normally would. Take our hair and just hook that right on. Now that we have that hooked on, we're gonna start to wrap. So we make it even, and we're gonna wrap really tightly twice at the top like that, and then continue to like move down the braid. So right now we're wrapping on the braid, not the lock yet, so this is why it gives it that knotless effect and not that bump at the top, at the root. So continue to wrap really tight. Then when you get here, you're just gonna start to wrap loosely. Just like that, and go all the way down until you pass your braid. Okay, so I just passed my braid. Now I'm gonna tie this and make a knot so this hair doesn't accidentally slip out. And then continue to just twist it down until you have your lock like that. Now we're gonna go on and do the exact same thing to this side. Now going on with the second one, crocheting at the root. making it even and now wrapping it around. And that is how I got all my locks to be really secure and have that little knotless effect. Now I'm about to finish the rest and I'll be back once I'm finished. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope this helped a lot for you to achieve your hair like this. Can't even see. Yeah, I hope that helped. It's very light and it gives like the knotless effect, which is so cute. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow social media accounts down below. Follow me on my TikTok at Khalea Marie. And yeah, keep a lookout for, I think we're doing a pack with me vlog, not vlog, a pack with me video. Prepare with me for spring break video, and I'm also doing a spring break vlog. So keep a lookout for those videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
What you're doing, do you think of me sometimes? And when I'm feeling down, I lose all control. Emotions keep coming out, I'm trying to let you go. So if you wanna talk to me again, don't try to act like we were always friends.